a chance to reflect what is happening in the state.
तो कुपित हो गया.
Shri Avinash Amara, respected MPs.
Shri Matthias Trupina Mauble, UDA, Deputy Commissioner, Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Mairam. CH Marak, UDA Commandant, 2nd Battalion, West Garo Hills District.
It is because of the blessings that He has showered upon the people of our state that we were blessed to have our own land, our own state, our own identity. And in the last 54 years, Almighty has blessed us to take our state forward to where we are today. And I'm sure with the efforts that have been put by each and every citizen of our state, we will march ahead with confidence, determination, and the will to make sure that we achieve all the goals and targets that we have set in front of us. I also remember and thank and pay my respect to all our leaders of the past, especially those who had fought in a non-violent way, persistent, committed, and determined to get our own identity and our own state. I remember them for their hard work, their contribution, because of which we are here to celebrate Meghalaya Day. During those difficult times, when our leaders were fighting for the state, there was a strong sense of unity. Though we were different tribes, different communities, we were all one in our objectives, in our goals, in our dreams to have our own state. Sometimes I see differences. Sometimes on social media, I see hatred. Some community sometimes saying negative things about another community. And then I ask myself, that have we forgotten that our leaders had fought for exactly this state, to be together. Our mothers, our elders prayed to God, and God answered our prayers. And yet we are here today, not remembering those prayers and not remembering those sacrifices that were made by our leaders and our citizens during those challenging times. I hope this Meghalaya Day celebration will remind each and every one of us to be thankful, to be grateful for the blessing of our own state. And I hope that we will commit ourselves to working together in a united manner to take our state forward. People ask me, what do you think is your biggest achievement in the last 8 years? So I tell people that for me, the biggest achievement is to see a person smile. If I can make a person smile, I feel that I have achieved what I wanted to achieve. And I think this is where sometimes governance and development, bureaucracy, administration, schemes, plans, foundations, sometimes goes wrong.